My son, do not reject or take lightly the discipline of the Lord. Learn from your mistakes and the testing that comes from his correction through discipline. Nor despise his rebuke. For those whom the Lord loves he corrects, even as a father corrects the son in whom he delights. Happy, blessed, considered fortunate, to be admired, is the man who finds skillful and godly wisdom, and the man who gains understanding and insight, learning from God's word and life's experiences. For wisdom's profit is better than the profit of silver, and her gain is better than fine gold. She is more precious than rubies, and nothing you can wish for compares with her in value. Long life is in her right hand, in her left hand are riches and honor. Her ways are highways of pleasantness and favor, and all her paths are peace. She is a tree of life to those who take hold of her, and happy, blessed, considered fortunate, to be admired, is everyone who holds her tightly. The Lord by his wisdom has founded the earth, by his understanding he has established the heavens. By his knowledge the deeps were broken up and the clouds drip with dew.